Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Tranya T3 True Wireless Earbuds. These are what I like to call the ABC 123 earbuds. They have most of the features that you need, and they don't have any bells and whistles, but that's okay. Now, inside the box on top, you got a bag, and inside the bag, you have some stickers, got a warranty card. Oh, here's another sticker in here. You also have your small and large silicone ear tips, and you have a user manual, and that's pretty much all that's inside the bag. Now, inside this little accessory box, you have a single USB-A to micro USB charging cable. And I like that it's flat. So this will last you a while. It's pretty sturdy feeling too. I like it. Now, for the earbuds themselves, let me move stuff out the way. Now you have a pill-shaped charging case. And I don't know if this will show up on the camera, but right here on the bottom, it says case 800 milliamps. That's a big battery. Now these are kind of beefy. Over here to the side off the camera, I have the Tranya T3 True Wireless earbuds that I've already reviewed. They're sitting on my Anchor charging pad. I'm gonna compare these. As you can see, the T3 case is slightly smaller, still pill-shaped, but they both have LED indicator lights on the front. You have the Tranya branding on the T3s, and you don't have that on the T3s, but you do have that kind of subtle on the top. So let's look at the earbuds. And the earbuds, they're not bad looking. They look like some UFO type stuff. As you can see, I have the silicone tips, the stock ones that come on here. These are the medium ones because I have medium-sized ear holes, and they do fit my ears perfectly. Now, I've seen a lot of reviews on these earbuds. A lot of people say that they fit comfortably, and after a while, you don't even notice they're in your ears. That's facts. That's no cap. They're very comfortable. There's no pressure in my ear canal. There's no pressure on my concha or my tragus or antitragus. They feel good. And I'm gonna put these back in the case. And I'm gonna show you, to let you know that when they're properly in the case, you have the indicator lights on top. So they got this shiny material. When you close the case, it's got a translucent lid. You can see that the buds are charging. That lets you know, okay, you got them in there right. They're very comfortable, like I said. Also, these come with button controls. Now, I was about to throw these in the trash this week because, mind you, I do review a lot of earbuds, so it's pretty easy to forget whether or not a earbud has touch controls or button controls. And I thought because they have these shiny surface right here that they were touch. So I'm over here like tap, tap, tap. And I'm like, these things don't even work. And I was about to reset them, and I like pressed on this too hard, and I heard that. And I was like, oh, that's right. These have button controls, not touch controls. Now I have these paired up to my iPhone 12 Pro, which also has, let me take this Ranky case off here. It also has that nice frosted look to them. They kind of match. So yeah. Now, as far as the battery life, Tranya says you get about 6 to 8 hours on a single charge. And with the charging case, hope you're sitting down, you're going to get 60 with the charging case. Now, in my experience, I've gotten about 6 or 7 hours on a single charge. And I listen to these at right around 75 to 85% volume. I think I'm gonna go max just for the sake of this video to show you how loud they get. because they do get loud. They get really loud. Also, the charging case will charge the earbuds a total of 6 to 7 times before you need to charge the case and the buds all together, which is pretty good because you got micro USB charging port on the back, not USB type C. So that extra battery on the case is needed. Now, as far as the controls, okay, let me go ahead and open up Apple Music right quick, and I'm going to show you the controls. So you got single tap on either earbud, controls pause and play. You have a double tap on the left, makes the volume go down. Oh wait, that didn't go right. Let me see. Double tap. Okay, make the music play. Okay, volume's supposed to be going down. Okay, volume down, double tap on the left. Volume up, double tap on the right. A triple tap on the earbuds, on either earbud, activates your voice assistant. There you go, voice assistant. Okay. Now, what the, hold up, make the music. Okay. A long press on the left earbud is, well, it's supposed to be previous track. I don't know if it's working today. And long press on the right is next track. There you go. Got it. Cool. So now to the part of the video where everybody probably skips, or I need to start putting time stamps on my stuff. How do they sound? Well, let's just say, man, I just took a screenshot. Okay, so how do they, why am I doing that? Stop. Okay, how do they sound? Well, if you're a bass head, you'll be happy to know these have some pretty good dynamic drivers inside. Like, if I had to compare the T3 sound to the T10s, they're pretty similar. Get that big boomy bass, rumbly. It has a warm, pleasant sound. And the mids are okay. They're not too recessed, and the bass doesn't debo the mids. It doesn't push into like the female and male vocals. Now, as far as the high end, the treble could use some work. I was listening to a song from a Swedish singer named Lisa Ekdahl. She covered Cry Me a River. And normally on other earbuds, she comes in clear, crisp, very like detailed. But with the T3s, she just sounded black. And I was really disappointed by that. But considering how much you pay for these, which on Amazon they're going for about, I think, either $29.99 or $35.99. I'll leave the link in the description on where you can get these. As I'm recording this video, it's Sunday afternoon. Prime Day is officially starts tomorrow. So these will be on there. I don't know for how long. But yeah, if you're a bass head and you don't really need a whole lot of features, and you want some earbuds with, some kind of IP rating, these have an IPX5 water resistant rating. If you need some earbuds to have by the pool, these ain't it. I mean, I probably use them by the pool, but not really. I'd need at least IPX7 or IPX8. They're good enough. You can run, jog, do some exercise. I wouldn't recommend doing no CrossFit or anything extraneous with them in your ears. But if you just want to listen to some music casually, and you just want to you just need like some cheap earbuds you can just throw in your bag, take them out, and put them in your ears, and they're comfortable, then yeah, these are it. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, with the stock tips, the passive noise isolation is really good. Like, it's, I was not expecting that. Like, wow. I did have spin fits on here, but I decided, you know what? I'm just gonna rock the stock ones. Because most people, they don't want to spend like $12 on some spin fit CP360s. That is a bit excessive, but you know me, I'm excessive, I'm extra. I like to have that passive noise cancellation for the bass. And like I said, the bass is booming. The mids are good. It's just, the treble just needs some work. But overall, I like these. These are my ABC 123 buds. And I want to listen to some podcasts, rock, rap, R&B. I'm good. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say about the buds. So this has been the review of the Tranya T3 True Wireless Earbuds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.